Dear students, this is our second chapter of history, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So, while explaining you the very first chapter of history only, that was your French Revolution, I explained you that after the French Revolution, throughout the world, throughout the Europe, rather I would say, so throughout the Europe, many changes were there, and in that the important one is your the Russian Revolution. So these were also the changes like the same which the France experienced. Now in this chapter through the flow chart only I am explaining you the important things. First heading is the age of social change. So it was the time period when the social changes took place in Europe, in Russia. See the first heading, that is your liberals. Now who were the liberals? The second one is your radicals. Who were the radicals? And the third one is your conservatives. So who were these conservatives? That only we are going to read, and what were their thinking, what were their thoughts also. See the liberals first. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. Liberals were the people, those who believe और दोज हु वांट अ नेशन, वो एक ऐसा देश चाहते थे जो कि हर रिलीजन को टॉलरेट कर सके, मतलब हर रिलीजन उस कंट्री में रहें. नेक्स्ट वन व्हाट दे बिलीव वर द आर्ग्यूड फॉर पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट. दे वांट अ पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट. दैट मीन्स दे वांट अ गवर्नमेंट विच वाज टू बी चोजन बाय पीपल, and then did not believe in universal adult franchise. They want the parliamentary government, they want an elected government, but still they don't believe in universal adult franchise. Means all of the Russian people, they don't think that all those people should be given the right to vote. Then the second one is your radicals. So radicals wanted nation based on the majority of country's population. So radicals were the people those who want a nation दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द रशियन पॉपुलेशन वॉन्ट, यानी कि वो उस मेजॉरिटी के साथ में थे जो पूरे कंट्री में चाहते थे कि हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा गवर्नमेंट हो, ऐसी गवर्नमेंट हो. दे सपोर्टेड विमेंस सफ्रेजेट मूवमेंट्स. So they radicals, they wanted some changes in the women's life also. Especially they supported the suffragette movement, that was to women. Then is your opposed privileges of landowners and wealthy society. So they were against, radicals were against the landowners and wealthy society. According to this, they want the wealth to be divided equally among all the population. उनका ये मानना था कि क्योंकि ये जो लैंड ओनर्स हैं या जो वेल्दी सोसाइटी है, ये इतने ज़्यादा रिच हैं और जो पुअर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पुअर है. सो द गैप बिटवीन दीज टू is wider, so that should be reduced, वो कम होना चाहिए. So their property should also be distributed among the poor people. So this was the belief of radicals. Now is your next one. Third one is your conservatives. So conservatives were those who opposed radicals and liberals. जो liberals और radicals के जो belief थे उनसे बिल्कुल अलग थे हमारे conservatives. So opened their minds to the need for change. So they believe that changes must be there in their Russian society. After revolution began to accept changes. So when the Russian revolution took place, so after that they also accepted the changes, whatever changes were there, so they all accepted that. Now the next one is your second heading, is your industrial society and social change. सबसे पहले देखो, आपको फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन में इतना ज़्यादा वैसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं है कि थर्ड स्टेट को ही हमने उसमें एक्सप्लेन किया था, बट द चेंजेस वर फ्रॉम द थर्ड स्टेट ओनली. those who were the laborers, those who were the poor peasants, or the farmers, they only were there. So industrial society, here in industries also, like labor are the same one which are working either in the field or in the industry, so same kind of problems were there. So industrial workers, also want some changes. So industrial society and social changes. With the change in the industrial labor life, changes in the whole Russia took place. So industrialization brought men, women, and children to factories. Actually, the main thing is that Russia got the revolution. Russia had the revolution in it just because when the industrial labors opposed, or when the industrial labors revolted. Industrial labors, actually it was the time period where the Russian society changed, because earlier they all were working separately, like the male only were doing the work in the industries, sorry, doing the work outside the house. But with the introduction of industries, everybody got jobs in those industries, so everybody got the uh, time to earn some money for their family. So work, but in these industrial people, they had, they were working in the different factories. Women were also there, children were also there, but they were facing a lot of problems. So whenever it is thought that a revolution always take place if somebody feels different kinds of some different kinds of problems. So the men, women, or the children working in the factories, they had some problems, like working hours were long, wages were very less, or wages were poor. So these were the problems. Unemployment was common, even though industries were there, but still they were not having that security for their job. They could be asked by their owners to leave the job as and when they are not in need. So housing and sanitation were problem. So other than working hours or poor wages or unemployment was there, हाउसिंग एंड सैनिटेशन प्रॉब्लम वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. साफ़ सफाई का कोई ध्यान नहीं था. उनके लिए जो वर्कर्स की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, दे वर नॉट हैविंग homes proper homes were not there. Even the homes were there, so that sanitation facilities or the cleanliness was not the part of the labor society. So all these problems lead, or just gave idea to the, again, to the scholars only, first of all the writers, the thinkers, the economists, those who started believing that Russia has to be revolted, Russia has to be changed, and those changes could happen only and only if the common people of Russia uh, uh, start working for themselves. If they'll raise their voice for themselves, then only they could have their own things. They could have change in their society. So how the other things came into existence, we'll read in the next video.